Hello, Cube Care. I am Charlie Garces from the Philippines. I'm very interested to apply to your company as accountant or bookkeeper. I'm very excited to do that. Your question of what makes you an excellent candidate for this role. I'm very excellent candidate for this role because I'm a certified public accountant. I have a background in QuickBooks also. I have just finished my training, and then I am expert in the field of accounting, of course, with my so many experiences as an as a as an auditor of Sisib Gores de Belay accounting firm in the Philippines. Is the number one accounting and auditing firm in the Philippines, with connection before during my time to the Ernst and Young accounting firm in the USA. At the same time, the Arthur Andersen accounting firm. I'm very excited to learn more about your company and be a part of your company. I have so many experiences doing auditing because of those accounting firm. I was an employee too for like 6 years. I was able to audit a lot of companies like manufacturing, Timex, the watches, and some hospitalities like restaurants and schools, and also banks and non-profit organizations. I was able also to experience organizing my own corporation in the Philippines in the business of buying and selling garments or fashion uh, clothes and jewelry and anything about fashion. So I am also experienced in doing bookkeeping because I do bookkeeping for my own company. But I closed the company. That's why I'm applying for a job this time online because I have a shop here in the Philippines, but I closed it because there was this road widening of the national highway, and it was affected by the road widening. So for another challenge for my life, especially on my expertise specialization in accounting and auditing, I am excited to venture into the online virtual assistant employment this time. Hope you would consider me. I'm very excited to have my interview and to be part of your company. Thank you very much. God bless. Hope to see you.